Hello, my name is Geovanny Peña. The first step is delete my old virtual machine. To do that, first I shut down and I wait. This- Okay. Yes. And shut down. Okay. It's this part. More. Remove. Okay. This- Yeah. Remove. And yeah, that's it. My virtual machine. Okay, I have created the virtual machine using VirtualBox with Windows Server 2022 data center. And now let's promote it to a domain controller. So click on Add Roles and Features with, with that and next. We set the option roles based or feature based installation. Next, and make sure my server is selected. Next, and what is the role? On the list, we find Active Directory domain services, add features, and we click on next. The features are by default, I think. Next, next, yeah, next. We can restart the destination server automatically. We just click on install. Okay. Uh, we wait. After the installation, we promote the server to a domain controller. Let's see. Promote this server to a domain controller. Click on that. The deployment configuration. Select add a new forest. I will give a name for my domain. Let's see. Geo domain dot local. That's fine. Click on next. Now we set the options of the domain controller. We could we could leave the option by default, but make sure to set a password. Email password. Next. DNS. I want to start DNS. So additional options. Okay. Next. Um, we can leave the default path for database logs and system files. Um, so click next. I review my settings and next. Uh, the wizard is installing promoting the server. This take a while and my server will automatically reboot. Okay, for hardware troubleshooting, we show how to add an additional network adapter and an extra hard drive to my virtual machine. Uh, First, I have to open my virtual machine in VirtualBox. I select my virtual machine, right click, settings, and go to the network tab. Okay, I have my this adapter, so I'm gonna add a new network adapter. So I will select the adapter 2 and enable network adapter. In the top list, let's see, choose bridge adapter. This allows my virtual machine to access to the local network. Okay, and after that, I will start my virtual machine. Okay, my virtual machine is running. I will go to this icon, right click, open network and internet settings, and choose the option change adapter options. Then I select my new network, right click, properties, IP version 4 properties. Um, Here I will set a static IP address according to my network. That is crazy. I hope it's work. Forgive me, please. That one. How I got that? I just uh, found in my computer and ipconfig. Yeah, okay. And it's optional. The preferred DNS server 8. That is Google, I think. Um, 844. Okay, and close. And that's it. Hmm. Now I will add an additional hard drive. As you see, I have created a clone of my virtual machine just to practice before doing the presentation. Uh, I have stopped my virtual machine again to add a hard drive. And now I will open the settings once more and navigate to the storage tab. Mm, I I will click on the hard disk icon, add hard disk, and create, and follow the wizard. Next, I think it's better to keep a dynamic hard disk. I don't. I think I don't need to use the full size for this assignment. So this on next. Now set the size to 50 gigabytes and finish that one and choose yes. Okay. Okay. And after adding my new hard drive, I will start my Windows server again. My virtual machine is running. Let's open this this management. That one. Let's see. Okay. Initialize this. Okay. Sorry for my voice. I am sick actually. Yes. Um. Yes. Right click here. New simple volume. Next. Okay. Is the volume of my desk. You can just put next. Assign the letter. The F is good. Okay. Next. That's it. You can see in File Explorer. I Now I will demonstrate how to set up a backup in Windows Server using the Windows Server backup tool. This. And performing backup is very important because it protects against data loss and allows for system recovery in case of failures or malware. Having a backup enables us to restore the system to a previous state and minimize downtime. In Server Manager, we have to install the tool. So we go to Rule and Features. We just click on Next and we go to the Features. Okay, um, okay, Features. And we look for Windows Server Backup right here. Next, install, and we wait the installation. Now, uh, Let's go to the tool already installed, Windows into server backup, server backup. Okay, here we go. Mm, I select local backup, mm, and there are two options for backup. Backup schedule and backup once. The schedule one make makes automatic backups at specific intervals, such as daily, weekly. In my case, I will use backup once to create an immediate backup. Okay, click on it. We follow the wizard. Next, I'm going to the custom. Next, add items. I My virtual machine. I have no documents in my virtual machine for now. Uh, I'm going to select the big F, K, and go to next. The storage, the local drives. I plan to make the backup to the to that local disk. I have some this option, but I think that one is the most appropriate in this case. Um, Backup. Now the process is done and close. And let's check in, in my local drive and see, you can see the backup. Okay. Now I will demonstrate how to protect important files in Windows Server 2022 using file encryption. Encryption is essential for server security as it protects data from unauthorized access. I am creating first a folder. Let's see, finances department. Um, and a file. That is document. Let's name me you, my name. Okay. Now I want to encrypt this folder. So right click in the folder, select properties, and the general tab. Uh, I click on advanced. Now I select encrypt contents to secure data. Okay, and apply. Look at this. The system asks if I want to encrypt just the folder or the folders of folders and files. I choose apply changes to these folders and files to ensure everything is encrypted. So encryption ensures the data is only accessible to authorized users. As I say in the video about Active Directory last week, even if someone gains access to the server. It's important for sensitive or confidential files that need extra security. Okay, now let's go to Active Directory. In Server Manager, I click on Tools and select Active Directory Users and Computers. Active Directory Users and Computers, let's maximize. And Active Directory is essential for managing users and resources within a domain, as it provides a well-structured and secure organization. I'm gonna create a organizational unit and a user within the organizational unit. Here in the left, I see my domain name. Right click and new organizational unit. We can create first users and more users and organizational units, and then assign each user to its organizational unit. I'm going to create organizational unit first and then create the user into this organizational unit. But it's the same. The name I'm gonna choose finance department. Finance department is to organize users into the finance department in this structure. And click OK. Creating organizational units allows us to better manage users and apply specific policies based on each department or group. And now let's create a new user within the finances department. Right click, the new user. Fill the information, first name, Gio, last name, Pena. So, Pena is okay. Next, I set a password. And make sure check the both user must change password as next logon. It ensures the user says their own password the first time they log in. And next and finish. So we have seen how Active Directory helps administrators organize resources and protect data within the domain. And thanks for watching the video.